What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing JPM exclusive break number 110. We are doing the team randoms for the 1920 buyback inner case. Already got all your teams or your names copy and pasted. So we got Ethan on top and Benjamin on the bottom. Ethan on top, Benjamin on the bottom. We got all the teams in here as well. So we're going to random each list 3 times and to see who you match up against. So we're going to go live at 6:11, and my computer isn't caught back up to Denver. It still thinks I'm in Boston, but 4:11, 2 hours. I need to update my computer. I'll do that for the next video. So 3 times. Good luck, everybody. That's the only timestamp I'm doing, just because it's not a Raz or whatever. So 1, 2, 3. Samich on top. Tim on the bottom. Why is this not pulling up? I need a new one. Sorry about that, guys. Samich on top. And 1, 2. Good luck, everybody. 3. Washington on top. Florida on the bottom. All right, I'll scroll through the names real quick and I'll post this in chat so everybody sees what they have. And guys, there you have it.